AngularJS. So in this session we are going to see internationalization. So that is, a web page can be displayed in any user required language. So it's been achieved using the script element. We assign the link, the JS file link, to the src attribute of script element. In this session, I'm going to explain how do we achieve internationalization in an AngularJS application. So internationalization means a web page can be displayed in any required language. The language can be English, Spanish, French, Russian, etc. Right. So now you can see on the screen labels like fee and then date and then roll number. So and for this you can see the value 2 and then the date is Feb 1 2022 and roll number value is 1, right? So so the values are represented using the particular language. All right, so that's the reason you can see KR here, right? Now in India we use RS, rupees, right? So here it's been used KR. Right, so it's for it represents the South Korea language. All right, so similarly I will show you other. Here you can see the other page, the same stuff. I have just changed the language, so you can see dollar symbol, all right, in the value. Just the value is prefixed with dollar symbol, and you can see the date format here, Feb 1 2022. The Feb, it is in alphabet, all right, and then the roll number, it is same as in the previous page. All right, so here dollar symbol represents, it belongs to USA. All right, so in this way any required language, I mean we can represent, we can display the page in any user required languages. All right, so so that's the purpose of internationalization in an AngularJS application. Let's see how do we do that. All right, so just to save the time, already I have created the application ANGI. All right, that's the name of the AngularJS application. Here you can see I have created the lib folder underneath the web app, and I have placed all the AngularJS files in the lib folder. Okay, and then I created HTML file named index.html and then AngularJS file named angdemo.js. all right, so in the angdemo.js AngularJS file, I have created a module named ang app, and then I have created a control using angctrl. Right, so and then in the index.html page I just I have given a value internationalization for the title element. Okay, and then I have added I have linked the AngularJS to this HTML using the angular.js file, right? So using the script element, and then I have added angular.min.js file using the script element, and then we have created a module named angdemo.js. Sorry, we have created a AngularJS file angdemo.js that's been added to this HTML file using the script element. All right, so okay, so till this already I have explained in the previous session. Alright, so here what I'm gonna do, I just create a property named fee. Okay, equal, I give the value 1, else I give 2, and then so here again one more property I'm going to create, that is date. Okay, and I assign the value new. There is a function named date. Okay, I just call that, and then what I do, I give the roll number, the value is 1. Okay, so that's it. So I have created 3 properties named fee, which is assigned with the value 2, and then date, that would be assigned with the current date, and then roll number that's been assigned with the value 1. Okay, and let's move to the index.html. Here I have created a div element, and here 2 attributes, ng-app is assigned with the ang app, that's as a value, and ng-controller that's been assigned with the value ang-ctrl. So that's the controller we have created. Okay, here what I do, I'm gonna just print all those properties that exist in the scope object. All right, so here what I do, I use the label fee colon, and I use 2 braces, and within this I give the property name fee. All right, and next to that I use the R symbol. All right, and then what I do, so this fee, it is a, so again it's money, right? So it should be in some currency. Again, it depends on the country, that would be depends on the country, the currency would get varied, right? So in that way I give just currency. Okay, and then what I do, the next property is date, right? Here what I do, I just give the label date. Okay, and then within 2 curly braces, 2 braces, I give the variable date, and then the R symbol. All right, here what I do, I give the keyword date. All right, so if you want any particular if you want any specific language currency to be displayed on the page, then we need to use the currency keyword next to the property name. Okay, that should be segregated using the R symbol. All right, similarly for date, we need to give the date keyword and next to the property name. All right, so here we use the R symbol. All right, and again one more variable, that is roll number, right? So roll number, I give the label, and then I use the 2 braces. Here I give roll number, and then the R symbol. All right, then I use the keyword number. All right, so this number, if we want to display only the number, then we need to give the number keyword. All right, so that's it. Now I just run this. All right, so let's see. So by default it takes so we got the output internationalization. Here you can see the output fee, and then the value is $2, right? So it prefixes the value to, I mean dollar symbol prefixes the value to, all right. And then you can see date, the label, and then the today's current date is Feb 1 2022. That's been displayed, all right. It's in the FEB, it's in alphabet, all right. And roll number, that's a label, and you can see the 1 value, all right. So by default it takes dollar as a preferred one, because it's been uh, when that's been recognized across the world, all right. So let's see if you want to yeah, I want this page content to be displayed in any particular language, any specific language, all right. So in that case I need to use the locally, all right. So that those JS files, or those JS files that we can download, and we need to include those links using the script element, all right. So I'm going to use the script element here, okay. And here I use the src attribute, and I give, so already I have downloaded the links, all right. So I'm going to make use of it. So here you can see, so this, so you can see I copied and pasted here. Here you can see, okay. Okay, this is the Angular. You can see Angular locally DADK, all right. So that is, it's Danish language, all right. So in the Denmark country, Denmark, all right. So here I'm going to use this. Let's see what happened. I'm going to run this, all right. Now I have copied the link, right. Here you can see the script element, and then the src attribute. Here I am going to assign the value for this src attribute. The link is assigned as the value for this src attribute in script element, all right. So you can see the link locally da-dk.js file. So da, it is a Danish language that's been used in Denmark, all right. So I'm going to run this. Let's see. So till now we got the output that shows fee value prefixed with dollar symbol, and the date, it's in a format Feb 1 2022. Feb is in alphabet, and then roll number, right. So let's see now. See, now we got the output. Here you can see the page name, internationalization, and then you can see the fee, date, and then the role, right. That's a label. And here you can see the value, that's been the value 2, that's been suffixed with the alphabet KR, all right. So that's been used in that's a Danish language that's been used in Denmark, all right. And then you can see the date is displayed in 01 /02/2022. The previous page, when I used the other specific language AngularJS file, it is fib, that's in alphabet. All right, here it is not. And then roll number, that's it, that is same. All right, so that's, go to previous page. All right, that's it. So in this in internationalization, a web page can be displayed in user required language. All right, so that's the purpose of internationalization. So that's in this session we have seen how to make use of internationalization in an AngularJS application. All right, for this we used the script element, the src attribute, and this src attribute that's been assigned with the values assigned with the particular language JS files. All right, so that's it. So that's for the session. Thanks for watching. Bye.